Hi friends, welcome to Krishang Talks. How are you all doing friends? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video, we are going to discuss about a lesson called the human eye and the colorful world. So let's get into the video. The first part of the eye is called the cornea. The cornea protects our eyes from all the different types of dust particles and dust. It is transparent. The second part is the pupil. The pupil controls the amount of light entering the eye, and the pupil is controlled by the iris. So after this, there is the crystalline lens. The crystalline lens is controlled by the ciliary muscles. So the crystalline lens function is that it focuses the object on a specific image. It forms on the retina, and on the retina, the signals go to the brain, sending a message that we have seen something that has formed on the retina. So there are mainly two things about us. That is the far point and near point. The far point of the eye is the maximum distance our eye can see. The far point for a normal human eye is infinity, and the near point is exactly the opposite. The minimum distance that our eye can see clearly is called the near point. So a near point of the eye is 25 centimeters. It is the least distance that our eye can see without any strain. So when the ciliary muscles don't function well, some defects take place. The first defect is myopia. The second one is hypermetropia. The third one is presbyopia. Let's talk about the first one, which is myopia. Myopia is caused by the large size of the eyeballs, and the power of the crystalline lens is very high. In this, the person affected with myopia, he can only see the things which are near to him, but cannot see things which are far to him. So the far point of him is nearer than infinity. He can only see objects which are placed between him, his eye, and between a point which is nearer than infinity. He can only see those set of objects. So any object which is on the other side of the point which is nearer than infinity, he cannot see it. It's as it's coming from into infinity. So as the power is more, the rays which come to our crystalline lens, they bend more, and they coincident at a point before the retina. So this point is where all the lens come. So the main cause for this is that the power of the lens is too much. Okay, the correction for this eye is that you need to keep a diverging lens, which is a concave lens. So when the light rays enter the concave lens diverges them a little bit, and the light rays go into the convex lens, and which now it functions correctly, and the light rays go to the retina. This is all about myopia. Hypermetropia is the complete opposite. In hypermetropia, you can see far things but you cannot see near things, and the size of the eyeball is usually small, and the power is very less. These are the two major reasons for the cause of hypermetropia. Okay, so in the hypermetropia, the guy can only see far objects but cannot see near objects. So the near point of him is farther than 25 centimeters from the eye. So for this, you need a convex lens. In a convex lens, when the thing is very near to him, it goes into the convex lens first, which is not in our eye. So it converges them a little bit. As the power of the lens in our eye is more, then it converges it. The first lens converges it a little bit, and the second lens, which is the lens in our eye, it converges it completely on the retina. These are the two defects of the eye.